Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming a seemingly ordinary soda can and some old spark plugs into something truly amazing. I'm starting with a standard soda can. The first step is to carefully empty out all the liquid from the can into a glass. We'll only need the empty aluminum can for this project. Now that the can is completely empty, I'm going to cut off the bottom section. I'm using a utility knife to cut a line around the bottom, which makes separating it more precise easier. You need to be careful and make sure the cut is clean. With the bottom portion separated, I'll then use a pair of scissors to trim the rough edges. This creates a clean circular aluminum disc, which is going to be an important component for our project. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Once I have my clean aluminum disc, I'm going to mark its exact center with a pen. Next, I'll use a drill with a step bit to create a perfect hole in the center of the aluminum disc. I'm placing it on a piece of wood for stability and safety while drilling. I've prepared 2 of these aluminum discs, both with a perfectly drilled center hole. These will act as reflectors in our final device. I have a box full of used spark plugs here, and they're quite dirty. It's time to get them clean. I'm pouring all the spark plugs into a pan, then adding water to cover them completely. I'll place the pan on an induction cooker and bring the water to a boil. This initial boiling helps loosen up some of the grime. Once the water is boiling, I'm adding a generous amount of baking soda. Baking soda is a fantastic cleaning agent and will help break down the carbon deposits and other dirt on the spark plugs. I'll stir them around to ensure good contact. After boiling them thoroughly, I'll transfer the spark plugs to a colander. See how much better they look now. They're ready for our project. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I will take 2 of the clean spark plugs and prepare them for wiring. I'm taking a red insulated wire and stripping a small section from one end. This exposed copper will be twisted around the top terminal of the spark plug. It's important to make a tight connection for optimal conductivity. Now, I'll repeat the process with a blue insulated wire for the second spark plug. Each spark plug will have its own wire connected to its top terminal. I'm attaching one of the aluminum discs to the first spark plug, making sure the spark plug fits snugly through the center hole. This disc acts as a reflector for signals. To secure the disc in place and provide insulation, I'm using hot glue around the base of the spark plug where it meets the aluminum disc. This ensures everything stays put. I'll do the same for the second spark plug, attaching the other aluminum disc and securing it with hot glue. Now we have two completed spark plug and disc assemblies. Next, I'm taking a long piece of solid copper wire. I'm winding copper wire around a metal rod to form a spring. Once it's shaped, I slide the spring out of the metal rod and secure it to the spark plug. This coiled spring will serve as part of the antenna. I'll also attach another section of the copper wire to the tip of the second spark plug, ensuring both are securely connected. Now, I'm bringing in a magnetic stand, which will serve as the base for our antenna assembly. I'll take a magnetic ring and attach our spark plug units to this. I'm securing the magnetic ring to the magnetic holder with hot glue, ensuring it won't move during use. This will create a stable support point for our parts. I'm attaching one of our spark plug assemblies to the top of the magnetic ring. Next, I will attach the second spark plug assembly to the magnetic ring with hot glue. I'm stripping the ends of both the red and blue wires and twisting them together. These will connect to our terminal block. The terminal block allows us to securely connect multiple wires. I'm using a screwdriver to open the terminals on a small terminal block and inserting the twisted ends of the red and blue wires. I'll then tighten the screws to ensure a solid electrical connection. This is essential for good signal reception. Now, I'm using hot glue to securely attach the terminal block to the base of our magnetic stand. This keeps everything tidy and prevents accidental disconnections. I'm taking a white coaxial cable, carefully stripping away the outer insulation to reveal the braided sheath and internal conductors. This is the standard way to prepare antenna cables. I'm connecting the inner conductor of the coaxial cable to one side of the terminal block, ensuring it's tightened down with the screwdriver. Next, I'm connecting the braided shield of the coaxial cable to the other side of the terminal block. At the other end of the cable, I'm repeating the cable preparation process. Finally, I'm attaching a right-angle coaxial connector to the other end of the white cable. This connector will easily plug into the back of a TV. You can see my TV currently showing no signal, a common frustration. I'm plugging our homemade antenna directly into the antenna input on the back of my TV. Let's see if it works. Wow, look at that. The TV is now receiving channels perfectly, clear as day. I'm just going through some channels here, and the reception is fantastic on every single one. From discarded cans and old spark plugs, we've created a fully functional TV antenna. This is truly amazing. To really show you the difference, I'll disconnect the antenna. See, no signal immediately returns. But once I reconnect it, bam! Instant channels. It's working exactly as intended. This simple DIY antenna proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve incredible results and save some money too. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected items you'd like to see me transform. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.